We heard about such report that they came up with a advisory to their citizens. As we have been maintaining in the past, we recognize and respect the responsibility and obligation ng anumang sovereign country to issue travel advisory sa kanilang mga citizens because it is their right towards their citizens. Ganun din naman tayo with respect to our own citizens. Sa ngayon, wala tayong ganung informasyon. We are actually not aware as to where the American Embassy obtained that information, but kung mayroon man silang informasyon hinggil doon, it did not come from the Armed Forces of the Philippines. But we are going to monitor and look into it. As a matter of fact, even in the absence ng mga ganitong travel advisory, continuous ang ating monitoring, ang ating vigilance ay nagpapatuloy to ensure na hindi tayo masisingitan ng mga terorista.